Hello, everyone. It is about 7 a.m. on Sunday, January the 28th, 2018, and this is DelrayVAWeather.com. We're going to do a short video about the potential of snow for Tuesday morning, and what you see up on the screen is the latest run of the NAM 3KM snowfall map for DC metro area. DC is here, Alexandria is right here. And I have this currently set for 5 a.m. On Tuesday, the 30th of January. Okay, you can see where the snow line is at that point. It is in the general area sort of west of us. And if we advance this, and this is actually snowfall accumulation with a snow liquid ratio of 10 to 1, which is about the average for the area. It's actually 12 to 1, I believe, for the average. Okay, let's advance this a little bit, and let's advance this up through, let's see, 1 p.m. is the maximum right here. And if you can see that the model is predicting about 1 inch for DC and Alexandria. It's going to be probably starting to approach 1 inch in western Alexandria about 9 a.m. And of course, this is just an estimate of the model. It could be a little bit earlier or later. But it gives you a general idea that this is going to be a fairly low amount of snow on Tuesday morning. But it's quite possible that it's going to cause some commuter disruption for a Tuesday morning commute. Okay, let's go into BuffKit. This is BuffKit, again, the same NAM 3KM 6Z run. And we're going to go into Overview. Okay, this area over here is Tuesday, and it's showing snow. Now, the advantage of using BuffKit is I can adjust the snow to liquid ratio using different algorithms. So I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to do max temperature. That's the Kushera approach. It looks at temperatures at various levels of the atmosphere. And if we sum this up, under that scenario, we're talking about 1.2 inches of snow by 1 p.m. If we go to Cobb 5, which is the one actually I like, where it's showing about a peak somewhere a little earlier, about 1.5, and then dropping back to 1.4. And let's see, the 1.5 would be approximately 11 a.m. And if we go to Cobb 11, this is showing about 1.4 by 1 p.m. And so we're looking at about an inch, probably anywhere, I would say between a half an inch and 1.5 inches with the NAM of 3KM. Okay, we're looking at a slightly different chart. This type of chart is called a mediagram, and it's specifically for the Washington Reagan National Airport area. And this one is the Euro model, the zero Z run. And if we look down in this area, you're going to see this is the Tuesday time frame, and it's showing about 1 inch of snow at that time. If we switch to, let's see where we find this. I think this is the one, yeah. This is the GFS. Again, the Tuesday time period is right here, and this is again showing about 1 inch of snow Tuesday. And then we're going to take a look at one other thing, and that is this one. Let's see, it's not the one I want. Let's see. Yeah, this is the European ensemble forecasting system. What this does is gives you an idea of the probability of different amounts of snow. And if you look here, this also says 1 inch. That's the mean value from the run of about 50 runs of the European model. And so if you look down in this area, this gray box shows the boundary of probabilities. And if you notice, it's pretty narrow. So it's showing that there's a pretty good probability it's going to be somewhere probably between a ½ inch and maybe slightly above an inch of snow, according to the model. Okay, let me see if there's anything else. I think I'm going to leave it there. And so I would expect that Tuesday morning we will have measurable snow on the ground. I suspect that the morning commute may be a little slow. I doubt whether there'll be any delays or closings in school. But I'll keep you up to date on that. Really, we need to be, tomorrow we can start doing some projections with respect to whether there's going to be any school closings. Okay, if you have any questions, just give me a tweet at PatPend, that's PATPEND, and I'll try and answer them. Thanks a lot.